Yeah, guys, it's another brand new day, and we are still holding our trade on Ethereum USD. We've been holding it since yesterday, and as you can see, it is moving according to the way we predicted. According to the way we predicted, that is how it will be. It is moving now. So this first trade here has already given us. Let's say this is 1:2 already. I believe you should people that took the trade should have secured some profit on this trade, and why they keep on holding it till it hit take profit. But I just want to let you know that you don't need to complicate the chart before you can take trade. And one thing about psychology is once the trade has gotten to the point you are expecting it to get to, is either you want to buy, you are expecting it to drop down a little before you can take your buy. Once the market drop down, take your buy. One thing must happen, it's either it hits your stop loss or it hits your take profit. So as we can see, we are going to hold this trade until it gets to our final take profit. And on my account, this is my account here. This is my account here. So you can see it. We are floating. We are floating $9,900. Let me just say $10,000 already, because I know it was seven positions I opened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I set stop take profit on one. That it was why, because the money was in $3,800, but now it is in $4,400 because on this trade here the market hit take profit for the first one. So I secured some profit. So the network is very bad right now. I believe this present profit would have gotten to like 10,000 plus. Then I will secure like three, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can secure like maybe 4 positions. I will take all the profit from 4 positions while I keep on holding the two to hit our take profit. So guys, don't need to make sure you are always turning on the notification bell so you can know when I come up with a new video, and join our Telegram group for free signal. And we also do live analysis every Sunday. So guys, peace out. Thank you. And make sure you're always subscribing, like this video, and share to your friends. Thank you.